Good morning. My name is Chris Arps, and I am an advisory board member for Project 21, which is an initiative of the National Center for Public Policy Research in Washington, D.C., that promotes the views of African Americans who believe strongly in the entrepreneurial spirit, dedication to family, and a commitment to individual responsibility. Tomorrow is the 5th anniversary of an event that put a sleepy little municipality in St. Louis County in the forefront of the debate on race relations, policing, economic development, and economic empowerment in this country. Today, Project 21 is offering ideas to help Ferguson heal wounds, encourage opportunity, and help usher in a new era of Black prosperity. The Blueprint for Black America is a comprehensive document that concentrates on key 10 areas. These 10 areas encompass the tenets I just mentioned, but much, much more. And Project 21 co-chair Stacy will elaborate further on that in her remarks. This document is not about finger pointing, assessing blame, or relitigating the Michael Brown shooting. It's about helping the Ferguson community heal and hopefully bringing the nation together to heal as well. As we present this blueprint to the mayor and the council today, we also respectfully request individual meetings with St. Louis Mayor Lyda Crewson and St. Louis County Executive Sam Page to present them with the blueprint and hopefully see these ideas successfully implemented in St. Louis City and St. Louis County. And with that, I turn it over to Project 21 co-chair Stacy Washington.
Thank you, Chris. I have been so excited about the developments here in Ferguson, and so it's an honor to be with you today and to get to discuss what we have proposed. So the blueprint, A Better Deal for Black America, has actually been taken to the White House, Capitol Hill, and so you are in great company in receiving our document. It's intentionally thin. It's meant to be something that is really given to you freely and offered to you with the best of intent. At Project 21's Black Leadership Council and Advisory Council for National Center for Public Policy Research, our primary aim is to get the truth out there and to help the Black community achieve the American dream. We know the opportunity and prosperity that exists here in America, and we want to see everyone partake in that. So we're trying to do our bit, and this represents over 20 years worth of research and effort on our part at National Center, Project 21, and other partners who've come alongside us to help us with this work. I just want to share the areas of focus and key recommendations, and then I'll just close up with what we're really hoping will happen here. We have these key areas of focus and key recommendations, and what happens is you read them, you take them, you leave them. Whatever you like, go with it. Whatever you don't like, leave it there. We don't look for credit, we're just looking for partnership. So it's promoting K through 12 educational choice, improving higher education, reducing Black unemployment, strengthening faith-based communities, promoting self-determination, improving the relationship between police and Black communities, ending excessive regulation, stopping wealth transfer from the poor to non-citizens, reducing the economic harm of excise taxes, and reforming the criminal justice system. I think those are areas that everyone, regardless of partisanship, can come alongside and say, let's have a conversation. I believe that today's effort with Mayor Knowles and the City Council here in Ferguson is the beginning of that work. I echo Chris Arps' comments in asking for meetings with other major municipality city leaders and in this spirit of partnership, not rancor, not anger, but in a spirit of working together to improve the lives of people who truly deserve the fullest access to the American dream. And with that, I turn it over to Mayor Knowles. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you, Stacy, and thank you, Chris. Thank you to Project 21 for giving us this blueprint to hopefully help us look for ways to move our community forward, to make lasting change, to make lasting improvements in our community, especially the communities that are been disproportionately affected by unrest, by the unemployment. We've had many conversations and many efforts over the last 5 years talking about these issues. We've seen reports come from the Ferguson Commission, but we have seen regionally, I think, little action compared to what we'd really like to see be done. We as a small community have been focused on doing our part, doing what we can do, and we need partners like Agenda 21 Project 21 to give us this agenda to help us focus on what things we can do, those things that maybe even as a small community we can make an impact on the lives of our residents, especially